Care Blanket is our approach to renovation of aging housing through care, not replacement. This project takes place in Vitoria Gasteiz, a city strongly committed to sustainability. Within the city, we focus on Bustaldea, a neighborhood where 5 housing blocks became isolated as their surroundings evolved at different speeds. Like most of the housing stock built in the 1960s and 70s, they now face energy, accessibility, and social challenges. Instead of demolition, we explore a different approach based on care, repair, and replication. In Vitoria Gasteiz, almost 40% of the housing stock comes from the same period, and now needs to be renewed simultaneously. Bustaldea is not an exception. It is part of a much larger problem. For that reason, we developed a replicable strategy. It works across 4 interconnected scales. At the city scale, we reinforce urban links and create a new community node. At the district scale, the site becomes an active heart connected to the green ring. At the neighborhood scale, ground floors and courtyards are activated through community uses. At the building scale, we introduce Care Blanket, a prefabricated facade system. The existing building is our starting point. We preserve its structure and circulation, improve accessibility, reorganize interiors, and add a dry-mounted timber and cork envelope. Almost half of the building remains unchanged. Only selected elements are removed, added, or reinforced, reducing impact and construction time. The old layout is reconfigured into 2, 3, or 4 flexible units per floor, extending domestic space through new timber terraces, promoting diversity and quality of living. Care Blanket is a modular kit adapted to the existing facade and roof geometry, keeping original openings. The new envelope integrates water collection, solar energy, and green roofs. Construction happens in phases, avoiding displacement by allowing residents to remain in their neighborhood throughout the process. In the public realm, we add a new pedestrian connection, reduce the number of cars, and introduce new ground floor uses that bring services and public life back to the neighborhood. These actions work as an integrated system, connecting buildings, open spaces, and daily routines with the surrounding landscape, transforming the street and the spaces between buildings into places for meeting, play, and rest. Care Blanket is a method of care, context-responsive, multi-scalar, and designed to support resilient ways of living over time.